Here's the easiest way to get 42 grams of protein in 30 seconds or less. Ice Nobles beef protein. We've got 42 grams of protein, 21 grams per scoop. It's delicious. It comes from grass finish, Swedish cattle. It's got a nice Dutch chocolate taste. Do a splash of heavy cream for flavor, and then 16 ounces of water too. Literally 4 ingredients. Tastes literally like a chocolate milkshake. 42 grams of protein, 2 grams of fat, gram of carbohydrates, and that's it. Beautiful. We got our shake ready to go. The beef protein too is going to make it bloat free, and it tastes just like a chocolate milkshake. Health should be simple. Just focus on pulling big levers. Gram of protein per pound of body weight, whether you're a man or a woman, and you're going to feel incredible.